Already, I cannot tell the names at this point of time, but about 18 countries want to implement it now. By now, our 4G, 5G stack. This is a international, global, some of the best in the world. This is a 4G and 5G stack, upgradable immediately to 5G. Right? So this is a 4G, 5G stack. So what we have installed yesterday, that same device will be doing 5G also. Right? But always we must go step by step because technology has to be tested, ruggedized, then only we move to the next step. So that's why we are doing 4G first and then moving to 5G.
Sir, for UPI, like our neighboring country, are in touch with this China or Pakistan?
For
UPI technologies, sir.
UPI तो सारी दुनिया लेने के लिए तैयार है. Already Singapore has taken it.
Is there any talk with China or Pakistan?
किसी का नाम नहीं लेना चाहिए.
So what is the update on India Stack's global outreach?
Everywhere people are interested. See, population scale पर कोई एक solution निकालना बहुत difficult होता है. It's easy to do at small scale, but at a population scale, billion plus वाला scale जो होता है, billion plus वाला scale पे कोई solution create करना, that is the technology stack that we are offering to the world. G20 में ये बहुत मेजर पॉइंट है, बहुत मेजर एजेंडा है. ऑलरेडी सो अगेन people are very happy that this is open technology, this is open source, this is privacy protected. All those things people have tested and checked and now they want to implement various parts of it. रुचि कम से कम भी होगा तो कम से कम 50-60 देशों ने रुचि